Chapter 8 Functions. A function is a way to balance code so that it can be reused. Basic anatomy of functions. So functions dot curly brackets, and then there's curly brackets dot brackets curly brackets console dot log do something. The function of the body gets between the curly brackets, creating a simple function. So you've got your variable, our first function. First function is equal to function brackets curly brackets console.log hello world. So calling the function, our first function curly brackets comma our first word, pressing argument into a function. So your variable, say hello to is equal to function brackets name curly brackets console.log hello in brackets plus name plus brackets exclamation mark. So this would be your argument, and this would be the function of the body that can use the argument. Printing cat faces. So I got stuck here for the functions. So for this one, pressing arguments into functions. When I created this, I was a bit confused of how to pass the function. But then after you explained it to me, then I understood it, and now I know if when you create a variable, then you've got your variable name is equal to a function. You put the argument in there, and you put the other argument in there, which then will print this and that. Okay, printing, passing functions and argument, console returning function value. So math.for var double is equal to function number return number. So return, instead of return, is basically returning the code. So in the console, it usually when you put variable double equals function number number times 2, it will say undefined, but you know that it means 2 times 2, which is 4. But if you don't put that return, then it doesn't return that value to you. Doubles using function in simple code. This is a random generator, so random word brackets dot math dot floor brackets dot math random insult generator into function. So this is adding the random insult generator into the function, so they would make all this embedded in the function and use the return to return it back to us so we can get the argument or the insults. There's easy to return using return multiple times instead of if else statement. So you can replace it with return, which makes the else basically invalid, I guess, because it returns it just like the but the else would go, if this statement's false, then it will go to this one. If this one's false, then it will go to that one. I think with this it's the same. And yeah, that's it.